If you are rushing to finish your taxes today, much luck. A nice refund would be welcome. But did you know a lot of tax refunds go unclaimed? The government is sitting on tens of millions of dollars in uncollected refunds and economic stimulus checks just from last year. Congressman Brad Sherman of suburban Los Angeles wants to help remedy that. First of all, Congressman, why hasn't this money been claimed?
Well, with the stimulus payments, you had a lot of folks who just never filed a tax return. You have people who move, and then you have deceased taxpayers whose heirs are unaware of their financial affairs.
And what do you want to do about it?
Well, I want people to claim what's owed to them. That's why we've put on my website a list that lists name and zip code of those who have either unclaimed stimulus payments or unclaimed tax refunds.
What is this project going to cost taxpayers?
Well, I don't...
or is there any cost?
There's certainly no cost of putting this information up on my webpage. I just asked my staff to work overtime. But we're trying to refund the money to whom it's owed, and I don't regard that as a cost to taxpayers. There are many ways to deal with the federal deficit, but having certain people not get their tax refunds is not amongst them.
You know, Congressman, when I change addresses, I always notify the IRS. It's fair to ask, why should we be trying so hard to give money to people who didn't care enough to collect it in the first place?
Well, certainly if someone owes the IRS money, they make an effort to find that person. And when we're owed money, when taxpayers are owed money, likewise the IRS should.
What's the largest uncollected tax refund that you know about?
The average of the largest 3 refunds that are unpaid in the country is over $250,000 for each of those 3. And I would suspect that involves a death in the family. I can't imagine an individual aware of their own financial affairs not claiming a refund that large.
Congressman Brad Sherman of suburban L.A., thank you.
Thank you. Enjoyed being on your program.
And we have that link for you at our website, marketplace.org.